If you wish to change your phone number for your account on TikTok, do the following. Tap on the Me icon from the bottom of the screen. Tap on the three dots from the top right corner. Tap on Manage My Account. Tap on Phone Number. To change the phone number, you will need to have access to your previous phone number. So, tap Send Code. You will receive a message with a code. After you receive the code, just write the new number. Now tap Send Code. After you receive the code, just write it, and your phone number will be changed. If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe.